I wandered in round midnight like I've done so many times. She was sitting at the table, there were no tears in her eyes. It seemed so much unlike her to be so much at ease. She took a sip of coffee and softly said to me, "There's the mantel where we keep our wedding pictures. There's the bedroom where we made both love and war. And there's the ring that keeps on slipping off your finger. There's no reason we should go on anymore. And there's the door." Well, I'm back here on this bar stool. The whole world's gone to hell. Behind the bottles there's a mirror where a fool can see himself. If I was the man I should be and not the one I am, I would go back there this minute and beg for one more chance. There's the jukebox where I've wasted all those quarters. Oh, there's a lady trying to get me out on the floor. And there's a chance the one I love could still forgive me. That's a step that I have never took before. And there's the door.